Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only, and for those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law, and through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge at the end, so please stay tuned. Before we get started with today's stock analysis, there was a request from some people in the comments to bring back the curtains, so just for you, I'm back with the curtains just for today. And today's video is going to be a stock update for ticker symbol MMAT. There have been some significant developments this morning at time of filming, so I'd like to just quickly go over them and look at the prognosis for the future for ticker symbol MMAT. First of all, I'd like to update you with the tweet that George shared today, and on the screen here you'll be able to see that George has said, "I'm very excited to share the news of Meta Materials entering into a definitive agreement to acquire NTS Corporation. Tune in at 10 AM EDT for our presentation." So great news here. So what is this basically George is saying is they've announced an agreement to acquire Nanotech Security Corporation. The next thing I'd like to do is just look at the chart in terms of the instant reaction at time of this news. So what happened pre-market, the stock did trend up quite significantly at one point, up 10%, then up 12%, and from the screen you can see at time of editing there has been a consolidation downwards again. I don't know if the shorts or the hedge funds have got something to do with this, but it's certainly very frustrating. I think none of the investors are happy with this. They do seem to always have some kind of ace up their sleeve. Investors are not really happy with the way the stock has performed, but many of us still do have faith. Many of us are holding, but there are growing concerns that this company is not giving us the positive PR that we expected. Today is a different day. We have had the positive PR, so at time of editing it was $3.19. Let's see how the price is at close of play. So by the time you do finish watching this video, the price will be different. So obviously, hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be a good day for Meta. The other thing I'd like to update you with is with regard to what happened pre-market. So if you have a look on the screen here, there was an issue with the Meta Materials shares being halted, and this was on code news pending. So this was with regard to T1 and T2. And what we have seen after that is obviously the 10 to 12% spike up. Then at time of editing there was consolidation down. What I'd now like to do with you is share on the screen here some information about Nanotech, which is now going to be part of Meta Materials. So on the screen here we can see some of the key headlines on the website. Inspired by nature, perfected by science, advanced engineering and origination, and the important thing at the bottom, which is their mission. So their mission is to protect government and commercial organizations by providing unmatched security, stunning visual effects and innovative consumer engagement solutions. Okay, so let's now have a quick look at a summary in terms of the profile for Nanotech. So on the screen here, I'm just going to summarize some of the key aspects of this business. So they develop products and technology that deliver some of the most sophisticated, overt, covert, forensic security features for brand protection and banknotes. The technology is different to any other technology currently on the market. They produce security features which are thinner, offering multiple colors, depth and movement. So again, so it sounds good so far, without using ink. So maybe a good opportunity here, certainly for banknotes as well, as has just been stated. For example, if we look at a 1 inch by 1 inch area, for example, this might be approximately 5 billion nanostructures. The business's technology relies on what scientists call plasmonic or nanophotonic structural light tapping schemes, similar to those in butterfly wing nanostructures. And Nanotech, the business that we've just acquired, provides its customers with customized security features that are near impossible to replicate. So overall, this looks like an excellent addition to the Meta Materials business. Going forward, the only key disappointment that we have as investors is not with the technology, not with the business fundamentals, not with the potential of the business going forward and long term. It's just what's happening right now in the market. Investors are frustrated, so this is the first positive PR that we have. I'm hoping there's a lot more to follow, and thank you for George for bringing this to us, but let's see how the market reacts. And finally, just to finish off, a quick update in terms of the challenge. This challenge, again, we're into the 4th day today, so some people are still on the first trades, many people are on the 2nd and 3rd trade already. So there were some great buying opportunities this morning at time of editing in terms of GM Motors, that was coming up. Ford was also coming up. We also saw Fiverr, which was going through a significant dip. Some people who did hold on to this will have suffered some losses, so that's a negative. However, if anybody didn't invest in Fiverr, then there was a great opportunity to buy into this morning as well. So Sava was up as well, so great bounce back from Sava. We've also going to look forward to the earnings response to BCRX, so huge amounts of reactions going on. Come and join us in the Discord. Everybody's very helpful. Questions are answered almost instantly. There is advice, there is help, but again, just to reiterate, we are not financial advisors. We cannot advise you what to buy, we cannot advise you what to sell. All decisions must be made by yourself, but it is a great community. Details in the description below, so please join us on our $1 Million Challenge.